Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I will do a video on how to heal your moisture barrier. Sometimes in our skincare routine, we overdo it with skincare products. We use products with a lot of acids, fragrance, alcohol, drying type of alcohol, and that damage our moisture barrier. Some people really like to exfoliate their skin, and sometimes they over exfoliate their skin and damage their moisture barrier. So today I thought I will share some tips with you guys how I manage to keep my moisture barrier in check, because I am the queen of hurting, damaging my moisture barrier. So I have some products here that work really well if your moisture barrier is disturbed. If your moisture barrier is disturbed, your skin might be getting really oily or dry. You might be breaking out. It's different for everybody. In my case, my skin gets really oily, extremely oily. If you like to use a lot of skincare products, I will recommend you to stick to a moisturizer only right now. More ingredients, more chances of irritation, and you don't want any irritation right now. Just stick to a moisturizer, or you can add a serum, a very calming serum, but I will recommend you to stick to a moisturizer only. Basic ingredients, basic products, that's what you need right now. Your moisture barrier is disturbed, and it's really important to fix that issue first. If you won't fix that issue first, all the products that you will use, they will do more damage than good. It's very important to fix your moisture barrier first, then use all the other products. If you like to use skincare products that have drying type of alcohol, fragrance, or acids, it's time to give your skin some break from those products. You really need very basic products. So first thing is, your moisture barrier is disturbed and moisture is evaporating in the air non-stop. When you will go out, you will have to wear sunscreen. Sun can penetrate really deep into your skin because your moisture barrier is disturbed. Sunscreen is a must. Right now, your skin is really sensitive, your moisture barrier is disturbed. Please don't go out without your sunscreen. I have two sunscreens here that I tried when my moisture barrier was disturbed, and these work really well. First sunscreen I have here from this brand name Biore. This is their UV Kids Pure Milk SPF 50 PA+++. This is 100% physical sunscreen. It's very gentle on the skin. There is no fragrance, no alcohol. It's very gentle, and that's what you need right now. Very gentle sunscreen. The other one I have here is, this is a combination sunscreen. This has zinc and titanium dioxide and 3 chemical filters, but chemical filters are really low. Their percentage is really low. Main ingredient is zinc oxide. This one from Anessa, Perfect UV Sunscreen Mild Milk for sensitive skin, SPF 50+, PA++++. I tried both of these when my moisture barrier was disturbed, and these work really well. If you want to purchase these, I will leave the links in the description. Right now, your moisture barrier is disturbed and sunscreen is a must. Please do not forget sunscreen. So you will wear sunscreen, you will wear makeup. You want something to remove this at the end of the day. I tried a lot of oil cleansers and balm cleansers. My favorite one is this one from Hara Labu. This is their oil cleanser. This one is extremely gentle. It's fragrance free, very gentle on the skin. They added surfactants in this. Your second cleanser don't need to work too hard to remove this. This one is excellent choice if your moisture barrier is disturbed. When my moisture barrier was disturbed, I was using this, had no issue at all. This is a great oil cleanser, extremely gentle. This is my holy grail skincare product. I love this oil cleanser. So yeah, I definitely recommend you to give this one a try. I tried some oil and balm cleansers, but this one is the most gentle one that I've tried. So I tried a lot of second cleansers. I could only think of these two cleansers that are the most gentle. The first one is from this brand name Hamish, All Clean Green Foam. pH is 5.5. That's what you need right now. This one is extremely gentle. It's fragrance free, SLS free. Excellent choice if your skin is extremely sensitive or your moisture barrier is disturbed. This one is an excellent choice. By the way, this has witch hazel extract. Witch hazel extract can be drying for people who have dry skin. Don't be scared to use this. The formula is absolutely amazing. If you have dry skin, this don't dry out your skin at all. And this one from Hara Labu, their foam cleanser. This one is extremely gentle. This is also fragrance and SLS free. If you have dry skin, you're going to love this. My mother loved this foam cleanser. Her skin is really dry. She loved this one. This has different weight of hyaluronic acid that penetrate deep into your skin and hydrate your skin. This is very hydrating. So these are both great options if your moisture barrier is disturbed. I will leave the links in the description if you want to purchase these. And now the most important part, that is moisturizer. You will have to keep your skincare very basic right now. You don't need toners, essence, serums. I have some here that you can try, but moisturizer, that's it. The first moisturizer here is, I'm going to bore you guys by talking about this moisturizer so much on my channel, but I love it so much. This one from Sunjung, their 2x Barrier Intensive Cream. This is amazing. This has ingredients like panthenol and malic acid. This has shea butter. This is amazing, extremely gentle. If your moisture barrier is disturbed, this is your best friend. I've never in my life tried a moisturizer like this one. This is a very basic moisturizer, but that's exactly what you need right now. This is amazing, amazing. If your moisture barrier is disturbed, this is what you need. This is great for dry skin, combination skin. Even if you have oily skin and you live in a colder country, you can use this. If you live in a hot and humid country, then you might find this heavy, but this is great for dry skin, combination skin, and oily skin if you live in a colder country. This is a great moisturizer. This is all you need. Give this product a week and oh my god, this heals your skin so fast. So fast. Give it a week and you will see results. This is my favorite moisturizer. I'm going to bore you guys with talking about this, but this is amazing. If your moisture barrier is disturbed, this will work really well for you. If you have oily skin and you don't want to buy something heavy, because this is shea butter based, you can try this emulsion from the same brand, Sunjung 10 Free Moist Emulsion. This has really soothing and calming ingredients as well. Like this has green tea and malic acid, panthenol. These are very soothing and calming ingredients. So you can try this one if you have oily skin. If you have dry combination skin, then you can try this one. If you live in a hot and humid country and you have oily skin or combination skin that is more on the oilier side, you can try this one. These products are amazing and this is all you need right now. Right now your moisture barrier is disturbed. These products have very less ingredients, less chances of irritation. If you have dry combination skin, try this one. If you have really oily skin, try the emulsion. I will leave the links in the description if you want to purchase these. If you have extremely dry skin and your moisture barrier is disturbed, then this cream will work great for you. This is from this brand name Pyongkangul. This is their nutrition cream. This is also shea butter based. This also has beeswax, macadamia seed oil. Ingredient list is great. Very less ingredients, fragrance, alcohol free. This is amazing if you have dry skin and your moisture barrier is disturbed. Give this one a try. I think you will really like this. By the way, I hope I'm not confusing you guys with showing a lot of products in this video. I'm showing a lot of products. Just buy the one that is easily available for you in your country. Next cream I have here is from this brand name iUnique. This is their Centella Calming Gel Cream. Centella Asiatica leaf water 70% and tea tree leaf water 10%. This one is very gentle, extremely gentle on the skin. If your moisture barrier is disturbed, you can use this one. If you live in a colder country, then this one is for oily skin. And if you live in a hot and humid country, then this one is for oily and combination skin. This cream is very lightweight and it's very soothing and very calming, and that's exactly what you need right now. Another moisturizer, this one is for dry and combination skin. This one is from CosRx. I will recommend this to people who have dry skin and combination skin. If you live in a colder country and you have oily skin, you can use this. But if you live in a hot and humid country, then this is for dry skin. This is great. This has rice extract, high percentage of rice extract. Rice extract is very soothing and calming. It's also brightening. When my moisture barrier was disturbed, I used this and this literally healed my skin in a week. So this is a great option as well. You can give this one a try. So yeah, these are the moisturizers that worked for me. I have 5 here. I hope I didn't confuse you guys by showing a lot of products in this video, Just buy the one that is easily available in your country, and buy the one that will work for you. If your skin is oily, buy the gel ones. If your skin is more on the dry side, and if you have combination skin, then buy the ones that is shea butter based. I hope I didn't confuse you guys. And these products that I'm about to show you, you don't need these products. All you need is a moisturizer right now, because your moisture barrier is disturbed. You need to keep your skincare routine very basic. But if you can't find these moisturizers in your country, then you can try the products that I'm about to show you. So the first product I have here is this Centella unscented serum from this brand name Purito. This has 49% Centella extract. Centella is extremely soothing and calming. This one is a great option if your moisture barrier is disturbed. I used it when my moisture barrier was disturbed, and this worked so well for me. This is a great serum. So if you can't find those moisturizers, then you can try this serum. This is a great serum if your moisture barrier is disturbed. This toner from this brand name Sunjang, the pH of this toner is 5.5. That's exactly what you need right now. This has panthenol, madecassoside. This also has green tea, very soothing and calming ingredients. This is also very lightweight, so you can give this one a try if you can't find these moisturizers in your country. This is great. You can do 7 layers of this. It don't feel heavy, or it don't feel like it's clogging your pores. This one is great. And last product I have here is from this brand name Laneige. This is their cream skin refiner. If your skin is really dry and your moisture barrier is disturbed, this will work great for you. This has very less ingredients, less chances of irritation. Not only this is extremely hydrating, but moisturizing as well. You can use this under your moisturizer. This will work really well for you. So yeah, these are the products I tried when my moisture barrier was disturbed, and these work really well. But yeah, I would recommend you to stick to a moisturizer only. Give your skin some time to heal. When your skin will be healed, then you can go back to your normal skincare routine. These products from this brand name Sunjang, these are definitely my favorite. When my moisture barrier is disturbed, this is what I reach for. Definitely give these products a try. I hope I didn't miss anything, and I hope this video was not confusing. I showed a lot of products, so you can buy the one that is easily available for you in your country. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.